my privilege to recognize a very special person within the association today. This year marks her 40th year with AATCC, and unfortunately, next month, she's going to retire. I retired a little earlier than that. And this is her last international conference in this capacity. I'm sure many of you know who I'm speaking of because she's standing on the stage, Peggy Pickett. So, Peggy joined the AATCC staff in October of 1975 as a laboratory technician. In 1976, she became a technical associate responsible for continuing workshops, seminars, and symposia. She also worked with the AATCC student chapters and launched a student chapter newsletter and the student chapter handbook. Peggy served as caretaker of AATCC's Institute for the History of Textile Arts and Sciences. She also assisted the technical director in submitting AATCC test notice to the American National Standards Institute and in preparing the manuscript for the AATCC technical meeting. In December of 1980, Peggy took a 5-year hiatus to spend time as a full-time mom. She came back to AATCC in 1985 and easily moved into the position that she had vacated. In addition, she also took the responsibility of coordinating the student paper competition and an exhibition internship program at AATC's International Conference. In 1998, Peggy was promoted to Educational Director, leading the development and implementation of educational programs offered by the association, as well as the AATCC's annual International Conference. In this role, she served as Secretary of C17, which is the Educational Advisory Board, C11, Committee on Conferences, and C1S16, the Awards Oversight Committee. During her tenure at AATCC, we estimate, this is an estimation, that Peggy coordinated and organized approximately 400 workshops and symposia. She also organized and coordinated AATC's International Conference for over the last 20 years. Peggy, together with now retired Executive Vice President Jack Daniels, partnered with the NC State College of Textiles to develop a textile technician certification program and a test method e-learning program. She also implemented the current AATCC online webinar program. Peggy is not one to desire the limelight. Every conference that we have been to, every time we get ready to recognize Peggy, she is nowhere in the room. We were determined that was not going to happen today. And what she will tell you most of the time is it's the members that deserve the thanks because they're the ones that do the work and they deserve the recognition. But Peggy, this time you deserve the recognition. We want to recognize you for the consistent, high quality, and professional programs you develop. Those of us who have worked with you on educational programs trusted your guidance because you understand the technical components behind every program. In fact, besides managing workshops, there are yearly workshops that she'll even do a training session for a module or two. We know how well you organize our conferences and symposiums, and we also know there are many issues that arise during our events. But we want to recognize you for the confidence you gave to those of us speakers, moderators, officers, all of us who are in the forefront of these events because we know that behind the scenes, Peggy's making sure everything's going to be okay. When that fire drill went off today, I guess it was at the front desk. That lady right there. Because I saw her. It is true that as the educational director, it is your job to promote AATCC and the importance of our test methods. But we are here to recognize your devotion to the association and its mission and its vision. You are often the first person to greet us when we come in the door. How many of you guys have come into one of the meetings, and there's Peggy, she's talking to members and visitors alike to make you feel welcome. Peggy, you are the epitome of this association. You have networked and promoted AATCC throughout the world, and look at what you got. Look at what it got you. You've got this whole room full of friends. Today we want to recognize you as our friend. So many of us met you through AATCC. We worked together for AATCC, and we've continued our friendships through AATCC. Because of this and so much more, we want to recognize you with a special gift from the association.
Now I'm wondering, everybody else has had a script. Did you write a script for me? Wow, Tiffany. I think this is my first Tiffany box.
Out front.
Hold it up.
Oh,
We can't see it.
Hold it up, yeah.
listen, I've been standing up there in front of everybody and Sandy gets to stand here behind the podium. I thought it was my turn. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes, thank you very much. Sandy asked, do you want to say something? I said, sure. I don't have anything scripted, and not sure I can do this. But it's been my pleasure. I'm here for you. Okay, John Dawson, you started this many years ago. When you were going to make a speech, when you received the Chapin Award, and you had a hard time getting through it. Do you remember that? Where's John? Okay. But I also remember Elizabeth, I can't remember, right? But it has been fun. Thanks to Jack Daniels. He's the one who initially hired me at the association. We both, I would want to say we grew up together. I grew up, I'm not sure about Jack. But it has been a lot of fun. I've had great support from the staff. I'd like to call out one person in particular, Kim Nicholson. Where are you? Without Kim, I'm one that works on many things, multitasking, and so when I would hand off something to Kim, before it could get done, I would want to change them out, and she'd already done it, and always filed away. So she's very organized. Very competent. I couldn't have done it without her. And I hate to name people because if I start naming, I'm going to miss somebody. But we've got, I've always said the volunteers are the backbone, the assets of the association. I could not have done my job without the volunteers. You've got the people like Sandy alluded to the webinars. Those actually go to the credit of Nelson Hauser. It was his suggestion that we do this. I've got people in the room with the Nelson and a Sandy and a Roland and a Mike and a John and a Barry. And I can't go, I mean, you know, people all over. Karen, I could reach out to and ask her to do something, especially speaking of program or help me out. And they always said yes. And Betty Nelson told me that you kept telling your Nelson, y'all learn to say no. And I said, Nelson, I agree with Betty, but just not when I ask for something. Who else? I feel so bad because I'm going to miss somebody that I really, really should acknowledge. But it really has been fun. I had a hard time making this decision. I've vacillated back and forth. But the time is right. I look forward to spending time with my grandchildren, spending more time at the beach. And those of you who have recently retired know I got a lot to look forward to. And Sandy, from time to time, we've done some little road trips. And Sandy always, when we do road trips, she comes with this bag of candy. So today she came into, was it today or yesterday? Yesterday with this little brown paper sack. And she says, Peggy, for your trip home. And I open up, there are 3 Tootsie Rolls inside. So as I drive home, I won't be bored. I'm thinking, Sandy, a Tootsie Roll. Thanks again. It's been fun.